Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Xgene and proteinX. In this tutorial video, I'm going to talk about how to recover cells from bacterial contamination. So here I will share my experience. I faced some situation and I had to recover my cells because those are very much important, and short period of time I performed a lot of experiments. So this is why I had to do, and I recovered those bacterial contaminated cells. So I'll share my experience, how I did. So let's begin. So before that, you need to know some initial steps, and these are very much important. So first you need to check the cell culture media and serum in the bottle, because if you want to use this contaminated media or serum for recovering your cells, then you cannot do, never do. So I think so this is very much important. You need to make sure that your culture media and serum that you are using, that is must be free from contamination. So how do you check whether the media or serum is contaminated or not? So for that, initially you can detect visually, because this must be transparent actually. So here, as you see, the first cell culture media, that is very much transparent, so you can assure that there is no contamination. But you can, initial level, you can say that. But the next one, if you see there is some kind of turbidity, then just discard this kind of media. Next is the how to detect the serum. So initially also you can detect visually. So if you see there is it is clear, then obviously there is something, there is nothing inside. But to confirm, you need to make sure that in some cases you cannot detect, because in some cases serum are itself cloudy. So in that case you need to check under microscope 10x or 20x magnification. So as you see here, I did for my serum, I found there are this kind of contamination. So here you can see in 20x magnification I found this kind of noisy background. So this noisy background, these are the contaminant. So there's something is inside the serum, so you need to discard this serum. Number 3, this is very much important step, and you can understand very clearly. So incubate 2 to 3 ml your media, your serum, in a small dish or flask for 2 to 3 days. So after 2 to 3 days, you can see the turbid serum, that indicating the contamination inside. So if you see this kind of contaminated serum, then just discard this kind of contaminated serum. Alright. So next, I will talk about that how to recover cells from bacterial contamination. So as you see in this figure, there is some bacterial contamination. So if you see the background, you see there are noisy background, and these are the bacteria actually. Alright, so this is the 20x magnification, you can see under microscope. So here what you have to do, first you need to discard the supernatant and wash the cells thrice with sterile PBS, and each time you need to use 5 to 6 ml PBS for each wash. Alright, and this you need to do 3 repeats. So next, you need to add fresh culture media and serum, that you need to make sure there is no contamination and in that media and serum. Alright. Number 3, directly add 100x fresh penicillin and streptomycin to the cell culture dish and flask, and put back in the incubator. That your cell culture dish or flask, after that you can directly put back into the incubator. So you need to do from 1 to 3 these steps. These 3 steps you need to do consecutively for 4 days, and 5 day you need to check the cells under microscope. So you can see there are this the background should be clear, and the cells grow faster than before. So this is the indication that cells are getting better and also the morphology of the cells will be better. All right. So note, there is important note you need to keep in mind, that to keep the potency of the penicillin and streptomycin, avoid freeze thaw cycle. So you need to make some stocks around 500 microliter each stock in a sterile 1.5 ml even drop tube and store directly in the -20 degrees centigrade. So when you add your penicillin and streptomycin, this just directly take out from your -20 degrees centigrade the stock and use it directly. All right. So this is all about that recovering your cells from bacterial contamination. So here is a picture that this is my picture, my cells picture that I captured. So you see here the before one, that is the bacterial contamination, and I did around 4 days I did, and you see here the cells are growing very fast, and also you can see the background is very clear, so that is almost contamination free, you can say. So this is all about this video. So I hope this video will be helpful. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries regarding this kind of contamination, and you can write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.